Hi, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication here. I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can connect JBL Bluetooth speaker with Amazon Fire TV Cube. The Fire TV Cube you can see are connected with my TV. So let's go for the process. Use your remote. You have to go your profile here, the next one input, my stuff here all the way. So this corner you have setting option. You see setting, go inside setting here. You see remote and Bluetooth devices. Click this one. You have a password. When you set up for the first time, you may know your password. So you have to put that password. I'm putting mine. Validation is done. Amazon Fire TV remote and all the device, mobile device, hearing aid, other Bluetooth device. Click this one. Now you have to do something. You have to on your JBL. Hit this one. Hit this start. And you have to hit the Bluetooth option. Here we go. It will make some noise as this. You see searching. All Bluetooth device. You see here immediately I can see JBL charge. If you don't see, you have to go back and come back again. I click to connect. It's paired. You see device is connected and paired. Now we can go back and test is working or not. I hit home button. I will go inside to any TV shows from Amazon. Ring of power, put here. So my Bluetooth device is connected. I increase the volume. Lovely. Volume you see at the top appear. When is speaker inside the TV, they appear this side. But for Bluetooth, it's appearing at the top. So you can listen from this device. Okay. Back button. So this is the way you can set up your Bluetooth JBL speaker to Amazon Fire TV Cube. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.